Welcome to FirstWord Pharma's News Roundup for August the 24th, brought to you today by Senior Editor Matt Dennis. In our top news story, the FDA approved Shire's Takhzyro for prophylaxis to prevent attacks of types 1 and 2 hereditary angioedema in patients 12 years of age and older. Andreas Busch, head of R&D at Shire, noted that following clearance of the monoclonal antibody, people now have an innovative treatment that works differently than current options to help prevent attacks. Also in the news, the China National Drug Administration approved AstraZeneca and Merck Co's Lynparza for the maintenance treatment of platinum-sensitive recurrent ovarian cancer. George Chen, president of new drug development for AstraZeneca's Chinese subsidiary, noted that the drug is the first PARP inhibitor authorized for ovarian cancer in the country. In other news, China Biologic Products rejected a $3.9 billion takeover proposal from a consortium headed by former CEO David Gao, concluding that the offer did not reflect the company's intrinsic value. China Biologics said it now plans to sell shares to raise gross proceeds of around $590 million, which will be used to support its business expansion plan and strategic acquisitions. In addition, Deutsche Bank analyst Greg Gilbert suggested that Pfizer's transthyretin cardiomyopathy drug tafamidis could reach the US market in 2020 with sales of $1 billion in its fifth year. The company reported in March that the drug significantly reduced all-cause mortality in the ATTRACT trial, with full data set to be presented on August the 27th at the European Society of Cardiology conference. And finally, the FDA approved Carla Pharmaceuticals and Inveltys ophthalmic suspension to treat post-operative inflammation and pain following ocular surgery. The drug maker noted that Vultus is the first twice-daily ocular corticosteroid cleared for this indication, whereas others are only approved for 4 times a day dosing.
To read these and other stories in full, visit firstwordpharma.com.
Are you able to keep up with all the news and views in the biosimilars market? FirstWord's Biosimilar Index is the only dedicated biosimilar and non-comparable biologics intelligence tool available. Get ahead of your competition and learn more today.